Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply change your Discord bio. It's pretty quick and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first of all I opened up my Discord application, let's show how I did that. And now I need to get in this profile menu, and in here I need to get in user profile, and here in about me section I can write anything I want about me. So now I can save my bio, just tap on save button and go back for one step. Here I can also set my status. Here it is, the first option. Tap here, and here I can select some statuses, and also I can set a custom status. Let's check it out. Here, when I tap on this field, I can write anything I want. For example, I will write subscribe, so don't forget to subscribe. And here I also can change emojis for whatever I want, and also I can check these options to clear the status within some kind of time. For example, clear in 1 hour. Check this option and make save. So now you see how it's simple and easy to change your Discord bio and to change your Discord status. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.